Hello, Uggies Worldwide. I'm Dave Kassler, amateur radio call sign KE0OG, here with another episode of Ask Dave. Today we're going to start a series of videos that take a look at the ham radio convention that was held at the Marriott in San Ramon, California, called Pacificon. I think it's the Mount Diablo amateur radio organization that puts that together, and it was very well done, extremely well organized. It consisted of an exhibitor's hall. There was a banquet. There were forums given, one of which I spoke at, two of which I spoke at, and there was a flea market that was held Sunday morning out back. So it was a pretty complete event. Now, what I'm going to be doing in each of these videos is interviewing one of the vendors or exhibitors. And we're going to start today by taking a look at a company called RF Kit. They're out of Europe, and they make amplifiers, high-end amplifiers, both for HF and for VHF, UHF. And the person I'm going to interview is John Stanford, who's KF6I. And he's going to talk about his amplifiers. So let's take a look at the video. We're looking at RF Kit today.
Okay.
Tell us your name.
Hi, my name is John Stanford. I'm here with Aidan Amplifier. And today we're at Pacificon 2022 with two German companies represented, Beco Electronics and RF Kit power amplifier. And we have both units on display here, and we encourage you to come out and check them out. Full legal limit on HF and VHF. So
very good. And you are KF6I.
Right.
And we've got this amplifier right here. And this is also, it's a VHF linear, so it'll work sideband and stuff. Okay, very good, thank you. So there you have it, a nice look at that. If you would like to help support this channel, please go to dkassler.com/support. It helps me to go to events like this and bring you reports. And until we next meet, 73.